So what's up guys, welcome back. I know by seeing the title you may have come to a conclusion that about what our video is gonna be. If we come to the topic, the complete human race has never experienced the term called as lockdown. They might keep few leaves or go on a vacation, that's all, but complete lockdown is a completely different thing for all our human beings. Mostly if people whoever are into this lockdown, there are a number of people who utilize the lockdown in a positive way, and there are a number of people who utilize lockdown in a negative way, and I hope you also use it in a positive way. Coming to the topic, let me explain few changes which I did in myself, which resulted to a great growth and which transformed myself. If I start my day and end my day by waking up before sunrise and sleeping as early as possible. Let me discuss 5 major things which I changed in me, which resulted in a great way. So if we come to the topic, the first thing which I changed myself is waking up at 4 a.m. Seriously, it has changed and helped me a lot in changing myself, transforming myself in a great way. So before lockdown, I used to wake up at 7 in the morning. Seriously, nearly half an hour I used to feel so lethargic. I'm not able to move my body from bed. But after practicing for weeks, some needle used to tickle me all the time. Before this alarm rings, automatically my mind just wakes up. That's all, man. Seriously, believe me, waking up at 4 a.m. definitely helps you a lot. If you see all the works which you do, take all important works and just do between 4 to 6 a.m. Seriously, there will be no calls, no one engages you, no one disturbs you, no one will enter into your work. You can keep complete focus in whatever you want. If we come to the second part which I changed, that is running. Seriously, this has been by now this is my best friend, this is my everything. Each and every single pore of your body tries to sweat, and it feels incredible. After a long run for 20 minutes, just if you stop, you feel such an amazing relaxation now. If you check this video, I went to some other family function in some other place, but I haven't stopped running. I took my shoes with me and I found some nice forest area over there and I ran at that place also. So it has been so far my best hobby since lockdown. I used to weigh like 78 kilograms after starting all running sessions. Seriously, man, within a month and 45 days I have decreased to 68. So I used to look very lean, so I gained 2 more kgs and now I am 70, which is super cool. Running is one of the best exercise. I don't call it as exercise, I call it as my best friend. After completing my daily run, I read books. This will be my third part. Reading books has changed me, has evolved me as a human. Before this also I am a human, but mentally I started accepting failures. Mentally I started accepting rejections. All the time I used to think about negativity, but almost all sort of negative things in me has gone by far. I don't know how world acts further, but I am ready to face all of them. And if we come to reading books, this is a wonderful habit for each and every person. If you're not into books, please stop reading. I have started seeing a problem in two different ways, which helps to solve or rectify all sort of problems. It has made mentally stable or mentally efficient to go through problems. You will come to a realization phase where you will accept truth in a honest manner. Finally, books are my love, and all love for all my books. And I think you have seen the B-roll as well. And a funny thing of myself is that on phone calls, I used to speak a lot of bullshit, man. Seriously, before reading books. After understanding how the human mentality works, how the world works, I have stopped all sort of small talks. And I can clearly say that small talks won't excite me anymore. Now I can openly say that I am 10% better compared to 2020. If we come to the fourth thing, which is food. For all of us, food is our primary tension creator. Each and every day we used to think what food we should have tomorrow, what food we should have in lunch, what food we should have on supper. Our whole day goes in this way. And I used to have 3 meals per day. And I know each and everyone has 3 meals. I have subtracted 1 meal, which results to 2 meals a day. At 10 a.m. I used to have my first meal, and after and between 3 to 4 p.m. I used to have my second meal. I will explain how consuming required amount of food helps us in a great way. This takes us to the 5th point, which comes to sleep. If I say about sleep, I used to have 5 to 6 hours of sleep per day. And I have heard from most of people that sleeping less is very bad, but if you see closely, all great people sleep less. Basically, the minimum digestion period of a vegan food is 4 hours, and it leads somewhere around 8 hours for meat. What I am trying to convey is that you are consuming your supper at 9 p.m. and you are hitting your bed at 11 p.m. The digestion process will be going on after you sleep also. If you wake up, your body would not get sufficient amount of sleep. You might get, but your body would not get sufficient amount of sleep, which leads for lethargy, which leads for fatigue. And all these things, I'm not saying myself. This is what I have learned in inner engineering, and a lot of scientists are trying to convey this, which is called as intermittent fasting. But in our Indian society, this has came from long time. సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే ఏం లేదు భయ్యా, పడుకునేకి ఒక 4 గంటల ముందర తినేసి పడుకోండి, సరిపోద్ది. So let us keep this much for this video. For whatsoever reason, if you think this video is a bit informative, please don't hesitate to give a thumbs up, which is a like button, and try to subscribe the channel and try to share the video. And finally, if you don't like the video, please dislike it. Feedback is totally accepted. And the final point I would like to share is that health is always considered as wealth in our society. So please keep it up to the mark. I know I'm delaying in uploading videos, but there are a lot of good content. So let us keep this much. Hasta la vista. Take care.
Långt från hemska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii.